Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you an interesting AI template where you can generate MATLAB code. So MATLAB is a versatile software. You can use it for different kinds of applications. So in this video, I am going to show you how to generate MATLAB code using AI template and also how to draw high quality charts and graphs using that MATLAB codes using MATLAB software. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how you can use this AI tool for research support. For that, go to lmssolution.net.in. So in this, you can find an option called LMS AI. So you can just click on this LMS AI. So here you can see these are the different kinds of LMS AI templates, which is especially designed for research paper writing. So in this video, I am going to show you an template called Generate MATLAB Code. So you can just click on Generate MATLAB Code. So this is the dashboard of this particular Generate MATLAB Code template. So here you can ask any MATLAB code you want. You can say use the same in any of the research paper writing purpose. For example, I am going to ask a MATLAB code. In this video, I am going to ask a MATLAB code on MPPT algorithm. So generate and MATLAB code on MPPT method. Like that, I am going to give an input prompt here. So just click on generate code. So it will analyze our prompt. I have not specified any particular prompt. I have just given a common prompt only. So based upon that respective common prompt, it will generate answer. So it will analyze that respective prompt what we have given. So based on that, it will generate MATLAB code for you. So you can use the same in your MATLAB also. This is the generated MATLAB code. And the explanation of the code will be also given. So for every step, the explanation will be given here. NUM particles 30, number of particles swarm. So NU iterations 100, number of iterations for the optimization. So also the weightage fixed C1, C2, W. All the things will be given detailedly. You can customize this respective MATLAB code for your application. For example, if you are implementing this PS MPPT in different kinds of applications, that is partial shading or any other application, so you can use or customize accordingly. It will generate code for you. Or else, if you given specific research statement or problem statement related the work what you are going to do, so based upon that, it will generate MATLAB code. Just by small customization, you can use the same in your research paper writing purpose also. Next important thing is that so you can convert this kind of table into high quality charts and graphs. So for example, I am going to copy this particular table. So go to that generate MATLAB code template, generate MATLAB code to draw chart for the above table. Just click on generate MATLAB code. So it will analyze that respective table and it will generate MATLAB code accordingly. Here in the meantime, I have opened the MATLAB window, MATLAB command window. So here you can see this is the generated MATLAB code. So you can just copy this code and go to MATLAB window, paste here and then just click enter. So automatically here you can see high quality charts and graphs will be generated using this MATLAB. So here you can export this and save it as a high quality resolution. You can fix as 300 dpi. So and then just click on apply to figure and export it as setup. Here you can save it as a JPEG file. So here I am going to have MATLAB code. Like that I have named it as the image file. So here you can see this is the high quality charts and graphs you can generate using MATLAB. So this template is not only to generate the MATLAB code but also to draw high quality charts and graphs for your research paper. Based upon that, you can generate a better code and make your research paper writing and research paper pictures very easily using this template. No other AI tool is offering this kind of unique AI template. You can access this template in our LMS AI. As far as plans and pricing is concerned, you can just click on plans and pricing is option. So here for basic just $199, you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 month and you can get one plagiarism plus AI report per plan. Important thing is that you can get unlimited access to all our LMS AI templates for 1 month. So the next one is $999. You can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 year and you can get 12 plagiarism plus AI report per plan, and also you can access course on demand videos. You can have unlimited access to all our LMS AI templates for 1 year. So make use of this option and make your research paper writing and academic writing simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.